Tripoli Agreement of 1976. The agreement was aimed of providing a political negotiated settlement of the Moro problem through the grant of autonomy of the Muslims in the southern Philippines. Kuha ka ng mga kasabutan sa mga political, nakig-negotiate sila sa Moro. Then other phase, mga other phase process between MNLF and JRP. Gay panguluhan ni President Corazon C. Aquino on August 1, 1989. So wa pa to nasitol tong ilang peace kang agreement. Pag niabot na ni Fidel B. Ramos, mao na to final peace agreement in 1996. Okay. Area na ta sa MILF led Moro resistance. Year founded in 1977, then founder Hashim Salamat. Ang founder sa MNLF is si Nor Missouri. Sa founder sa MILF si Hashim Salamat. The MILF broke away from the MNLF because ideological and political disagreements between Salamat and Missouri. Kanang mibulag ang MILF sa MNLF tungod kay agkuan kanang political kang kanang panagbingkil kanang disagreement sila kanang di sila magkasinabot sila ni Salamat ug Missouri. Then the MILF formulated the policy gradually creating an Islamic society. So mga to naggama sila og ilahang grupo in the Moro religions. To accomplish the MILF applied Islamic law in the creation of an independent Moro state would eventually follow. Mga to naggama na sila og mga policy ag MILF ilaha kang magnibuwag na sila sa MILF. The MILF with growing strength warns that in the event that talks they will collapse. In the event that talks will collapse, it will pursue the struggle of all cost. As it will fail, there is no more pain. There is no more point of talking, saying they have no more choice except returns the barrel. Communist, the last topic is the Communist Party of the Philippines, founded on December 26, 1968, formed by first Chairman Jose Maria Sison. The CPP-NPA overthrew the Philippines government in favor of the new people's democratic state led by the working class, and the group also seeks to expel U.S. influence from the Philippines. Its other goals include redistributing a cultural revolution. So kaning ang CPP-NPA nagtinguha nga pahipuson ang gobyerno sa Pilipinas ug kang ilisan ug bag-ong demokratiko estado sa katawhan. Din giuluhan sa working class. Din gusto sad nila nga pahawaon ang mga US sa Pilipinas o influence from the Philippines. It's other than include redistributing a cultural revolution is kanang ipapod-apod ang mga yuta sa mga pobreng mga walay yuta, mga tagan to sila og mga yuta og magsugod og revolution cultural mao to sa Communist Party. So taas mo ni mo harang gimubo. Salamat, thank you.